So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to follow someone on tradingview. So first of all, open any web browser and then type tradingview.com. So guys, as you can see here, we have come on the TradingView website, and after that you will just scroll down a little bit and then you can see the editor's picks. Now just click on this and you will come on this page, and here you can see there are a bunch of people's account right here. Let's say this basic trading TV, the underscore STA, and top trading signals. And like these accounts, there are a bunch of accounts that you can follow. Let's say we want to follow the first one, which is top trading signals. Now you just have to click on its name, and after that you'll come on this account. Now you can message him or her, and you can also cheer him or her for whichever the amount you want to pay, and you can finally follow by clicking on this button. And now you guys can see I am now following this account called Top Trading Signals, and where you can check your following list. You just have to click on your name right here, and after that click on your account name, and after that click on the following. And as you can see, I am following this account right here, and you can check your following list right here. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.